Days left to get Valentine's Day gift for your loved ones, but instead of getting something that everyone else has, why not make it one of a kind? And this morning we have Bianca Dotton here to help us with some of that. Good morning.
Good morning. So I love doing personalized gifts because it adds an extra special touch.
Yes.
And it's really hard to find things for certain people in your family. So I wanted to make something for everyone from young to old. So we're starting with kids.
Okay.
So kids love candy.
Absolutely.
So I saw this super cute candy dispenser. I just popped on a personalized heart with their name on it.
Cute.
And you can put their favorite candy in here. This one, it comes with gumballs already, but you can use anything like M&M's, Skittles. Yes.
Okay.
Then they can just turn it and get their candy. I like to put maybe like halfway, so it's not too much of a sugar rush. And then you can tie on a card with this and maybe add a gift card or something for the kids as well.
Very cute.
Then we've got the teens. They're the hardest of the bunch, I think.
Yes.
But a lot of teens like to go shopping, so clothing items are very popular. These shoes are probably my favorite. So they're customized with lip prints.
That's very cute.
These shoes are actually from Target. They only cost $15.
Okay.
They're from like their universal thread line, which is very popular. You just take the vinyl that you cut out in the lip print shapes, paste them on here, and you can gift them to your favorite teen. You can use any color you want.
Scissors?
Yes, you can use regular scissors, or I used the Cricut Maker.
There we go.
To make it a little bit easier so my hands don't get cramped, but you can use regular scissors too.
Okay.
And you can even do heart shapes, any shapes that you want.
Very cool. What's this?
Then these are custom cards. These, again, I use the Cricut Maker to do, but you can cut these out with scissors as well. It's just a double flipped heart.
Oh, I love this.
You can write any note on the inside and personalize the outside with a message. And then for guys, I like to put something in here like movie tickets, an experience, Orlando Magic tickets, a trip to somewhere to make it extra special.
Very cute. I like it. It takes you back to like kindergarten when you had to fold the paper and then cut, right?
Yes, and if you're gifting it to your spouse, you can put something in here, you know, maybe where you went for your first date, whether it was a movie or a dinner gift card, make it extra special.
Pictures?
Yes, pictures. So these are glass photo prints, and I actually got these about 2 years ago for Christmas, and ever since then I've been in love with them. So they come in a couple different sizes.
Okay.
And they're made out of
Smaller
glass.
here?
Yes.
Okay.
So on the back they have hooks where you can hook them onto the wall
Nice.
as well. Or you can put them on a stand, so they're great for desktops, a gallery wall in your home, pretty much anywhere that you want to.
You were telling me, I know we have 30 seconds left, this is gift wrap.
Yes, so this is reusable gift wrap. This is made out of muslin. I just cut out some X and O's for kisses and hugs. Put them on there with this easy press. This is made out of vinyl, but you could also use like an iron-on sticker.
There we go.
Tie it, gift it,
Look how
and
cute
there
that
it goes.
looks. I love this. That's adorable. Bianca, where can people get more info on the things you have here?
So you can find the tutorials for these on biancadotton.com, fractureme.com. You can find the glass prints, upload your photos, and gift them for Valentine's Day.
Awesome. You got some great ideas here, and it's all really cute. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
We're going to send things